Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be making super moist and soft cinnamon zucchini bread. This bread, guys, is loaded with zucchini goodness together with a hint of vanilla and cinnamon. Gives this bread an amazing, beautiful flavor. This is my go-to snack, so good with a cup of coffee. I know, guys, you're gonna love it. The recipe is super easy to make. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grease 2 loaf pans with a non-stick baking spray. Then flour the pans and shake off the excess. Once all that is done, set aside. Now for the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine 3 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Mix well and set aside. Next, in a separate large bowl, combine 3 large beaten eggs along with 1 cup of oil. We are also adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 2 cups of granulated sugar. If the bread is too sweet for you, just reduce the sugar by half a cup. Whisk everything together until well incorporated. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix well. I'm using a whisk, guys. You can use a wooden spoon, handheld mixer, or stand mixer. I like making simple recipes for everybody. Once everything is mixed well, the mixture should look like this, guys. It should be a little bit stiff. Next, grate 2 large zucchini. If you don't have large zucchini, use 3 to 4 medium zucchini. Do not discard the liquids, guys, generated from grating the zucchini. The liquids will provide an extra moisture to the bread. Next, add the grated zucchini to the batter and stir everything until it's all combined. Once everything is well combined, the mixture will get more liquid in texture, just like so, guys. Now pour the batter into the prepared pans, dividing it equally. Bake for 1 hour in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven. After 1 hour, remove the loaves from the oven and do the toothpick test. If the toothpick comes out clean, then our loaves are done. Let the bread cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Run a knife along the edges. Then remove them and cool them completely on a wire rack. This bread will freeze well and keep in the refrigerator for weeks. It tastes even better the next day. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.